Hey guys, Derek White here from TopEnhancementReviews.com. I received the X4 Labs extender in the mail a couple hours ago and I opened it up. Then I realized I need to do an unboxing video for you guys. So I ordered the premium edition extender. So it came in the mail, nothing on the box lets you know what it is, so privacy, it's very discreet. We'll open it up. I ordered a bonus on here. It's the 4-in-1 quad system. You have the option at checkout to add this in. This offers, I think it's a 52 or 54 way support system. So it adds a lot of comfort compared to any other extender on the market. So it basically will fit any size. It doesn't matter what size you are, any shape, any whatever. It really fits to you. So I'm excited to test that out and let you guys know how that is. Comes with a sexual position DVD for your pleasure. And we'll get the actual extender out here. Comes in a nice big box. So as you can see, the branding is awesome. Looks like it's a beautiful box. Open it up. You have white velvet inside. The extender doesn't come assembled like this, but I assembled it. Nice gold extender, really sturdy, memory foam, silicone strap, base ring. It's a very sturdy extender. I'm excited to get to try it out. As you can see, elongation bars, front piece is removable. Side pocket here, different memory foam for different comfort options, sanitary wipes, replacement parts. You have silicone straps, base ring, a whole bunch of stuff, and also an instructional DVD for step-by-step instructions on how to use this. Gift card. So yeah, I mean, it's very discreet, comes with a lot of extra pieces and parts, so for some reason anything goes wrong, you have extra. And so check out my channel in a little bit, and there'll be a full X4 Labs extender review for you to check out. I'm Derek White from TopEnhancementReviews.com, and I will talk to you later.